Reflexology of the foot, yan, by Geo Massage Services. Application of reflexology, yan, step by step. Yan. There's a lot of nerve ending here, sensory processing disposal. Sensory, like ears, eyes, nose, and processing, kidney, liver, disposal, like the anus, rectum here. There are lots of nerve ending here in the pit, yan. Nerve activation. Press, rotate, push 3 times, yan. Reflexology of the foot by Geo Massage Services. You know, reflexology, it helps for circulation. Shown reflex by part.